Hey, I'm Mohammed. A few years back, I started an open source cloud cost optimization tool because my team and half of the internet were asking questions like why our AWS bill is too high, where our cloud resources are located, and who is owning this server database. This project snowballed into a FinOps platform that raised millions from VCs and now tracks thousands of AWS, GCP, and Azure accounts for companies that cannot afford those monthly surprise bills. So, along the way, I kept notes of the different takeaways and practical tips and lessons that now I'm collecting into my newest book, Practical FinOps. On this book, you will learn about how you can build your cloud asset inventory to track your assets across a multi-cloud infrastructure, how you can apply tagging at a larger scale, how you can create FinOps dashboards from scratch and build accountability to cloud spending, but also how you can leverage large language models so that you can analyze costs and take actions via AI agents. And finally, how you can scale those FinOps practices via cloud governance. So each chapter of the book has been structured to be practical, hands on, and around real case studies. So if you are interested, click on the link and start turning those mysterious monthly bills to numbers that you can predict. So thanks for watching and happy saving.